outermost limbs and I draw a straight line down. So I'm just gonna kind of start. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick video showing how I fertilize young oak trees. This is good for any type of tree really, but this is a piece of pasture that we're gonna fence in the next couple years for goats. You may have seen our last video, top 10 tips for new goat owners. So I'm fertilizing to help them grow even quicker. So what I use is a 12-6-6 fertilizer. You can use really any triple 12, triple 10 fertilizer. Get a soil test of the soil that the tree's in. That'll tell you what it needs, or if it's good on one, you can get the other. But 12-6-6 is just a generic. They sell them at any nursery. I mean, it's just a basic fertilizer. So what I do is for a tree, when you plant it, you want to wait 1 year before you fertilize it, let the roots grow. In the second year, give about half a cup, sprinkle it around the drip line, which is where the leaves on the tree are straight down. If you draw a line straight down from the furthest leaf out, that's the drip line. I'll show you when I fertilize this tree right here. But for this tree, this is the third year that it's in the ground. I'm gonna do 2 half cups, which would equal 1 whole cup. I always like to wear these gloves just to be safe. Fertilizer, it's a little bit toxic, but yeah, I'll show you how I do it. So I have my half cup measuring cup right here. Just come in, a nice full cup. I come out here to these outermost limbs and I draw a straight line down. So I'm just gonna kind of start sprinkling it out like this. Coming around the whole tree, paying attention to where the leaves are, coming out like this. Coming in, all the roots are gonna be kind of at the same area. You don't have to go in and out with each branch, just kind of out this way. I'm gonna refill. I'm gonna come around this way this time. Back at you. Now you might have seen some videos on YouTube saying that you have to take a shovel and open up the ground and pour the fertilizer in here. Well, I've got 30, 40, 50 trees I'm gonna fertilize. So if I had to do that for every one, it'd take me 3 weeks to do all of them. So I'm just sprinkling it on top of the ground. The rain will come, it'll soak it in, and it'll get everything that it needs. And what's important is I'm doing this today because there's a chance of rain tomorrow. So you don't want to do this when there's going to be sun for the next week. You want that fertilizer to get rained in pretty quickly after you spread it out. So it's pretty much as simple as that. Just go around the drip line, which is, like I said, the furthest limb out, draw a straight line, sprinkle it around the edges of the whole tree, and that's all you got to do.